Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to contact a Finelo support team step by step. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Finelo Support Center website. Once the website loads completely, look for the option called Submit a Ticket and click on it. This will open the support request form where you can contact the Finelo support team directly. Now, the first thing you need to do is enter the same email address that is connected to your Finelo account. After that, confirm your email by typing it again carefully. Make sure both email addresses match correctly to avoid any problems with receiving responses from the support team. Next, you will see a large text box where you can explain your issue or concern. Here, describe your problem clearly and provide as many details as possible so the support team can understand your issue quickly. For example, you can mention account issues, payment problems, login errors, or anything else related to Finelo. If needed, you can also attach screenshots, files, or links related to your issue. After completing all the details, scroll down and tick the option that says I am not a robot. Solve the CAPTCHA or puzzle verification carefully. Finally, review all your information once again and click on the submit button. Your support ticket will now be successfully sent to the Finelo support team. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful step-by-step guides.